Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of a cabin HEPA Plus cabin filter that you can find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access the cabin filter, you must remove the glove box. Unscrew the 3 glove box retaining screws using a Torx T25 screwdriver. Then, lift the plastic cover and rotate the glove box lid downwards. Then, using the same tool, unscrew the 7 screws on the plastic glove box cover. Remove the plastic covering. Using a bithead screwdriver and a 5.5mm socket, unscrew the 2 screws holding the pollen filter cover. Then remove it. Take out the filter.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first ones are used to stop dust, while the second ones will also filter out smells and gases. There's now a new generation of filters on the market. Perflux has developed Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Slide the filter into its housing, paying careful attention to the flow of air. Put the cover back on. Then screw it back on. Reinstall the plastic cover. Then tighten the 7 screws. Reinstall the glove box cover. Then screw it back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.